dear friends, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate our 75th Republic Day of India. As we all know, India celebrates the Republic Day every year on the 26th of January from 1950. Because at this day India was declared as the Republic country as well as Constitution of India came into force after independence of long years of our struggle. After getting independence from the British rule in 1947, India did not have its own constitution. So on August 28, 1947, a draft committee was constituted under the chairmanship of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar to draft the Constitution of India. The Constitution was written by the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete the Constitution of India. Then the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. Since then we celebrate this day as Republic Day every year. Republic means that the supreme power of the people living in the country. And only public has the right to elect their representatives as a political leader to lead the country in right direction. For India, Republic Day is not only a celebration, but also a pride and honor as the Constitution came into force throughout India and Indian citizens got their basic rights. Today, we are living in freedom without any pressure in the society. That credit goes to the brave soldiers, martyrs, freedom fighters of the Indian freedom struggle. So we must not forget their sacrifices. We should be responsible citizens of India and take all steps for the country development and progress. Let us all pledge today to do all possible efforts to make our country free from problems like terrorism, corruption, inequality, poverty, etc. It's a day that makes us think beyond the caste, career, religion, state, language, and color, and we all have same feeling and emotion for our loving country. Before ending the speech, I would like to thank you all for giving me a chance to express my feeling about Republic Day, and I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.